We've made parts for the Apollo missions right through the space shuttle. Our parts are on the Mars lunar rover, so our parts are out of this world. We've been in business for over 100 years, so we have over 500,000 tools on hand. Whether I have to adjust that tool or not, it's readily available. That's why we can ship very quickly. Hi, I'm Sal Frieda from Brewster Washers. We make custom flat washers, shims, and discs for the aerospace and defense industries. Most people think of a washer, they think of simple, going to Home Depot buying a washer, but that's not what our customers come to us for. They're looking for precision, high tolerance. They're looking at us to hold a 0001 tolerance on an OD or ID, and we can do that. Our tagline is, your blueprint is our catalog. So from your blueprint, we can make your custom part. So we'll follow your specifications, your material specs, your finish specs, and we'll make that part complete. A stock part is not a blueprint part. A blueprint part has specific tolerances and specific metal needs that we carry in-house and have on hand all the time. Here at Brewster, we have a virtual library of various dies and punches. Let's say you have a rush order and you need the part right away. We will have the die for you. If we don't have the die, we will create it for you immediately. So this looks like any common copper washer you can pick up in any hardware store, but this one was made for an electronic car company on the West Coast. They called us on a Wednesday at 3 o'clock. They needed 5,000 parts by Friday morning. They were in their hands by 8:30 via UPS shipping. Our main material is stainless steel, 300, 400 series. We deal with different color plastics. This is plastic, this is stainless steel, and most of our tempers are full hard, but there are 5 tempers of stainless steel we can stamp from. So this is a precision gear part that is considered a blank, believe it or not, that we make for one of our gear customers. They take this and they'll do final finishing to this part. They'll take it down in thickness on certain areas. We can stamp from 0005 thick stainless steel that we have in stock all the way up to a 16th or 062. We will go thicker on softer materials like copper, brass, and aluminum. They're made with a stamping press. All of our dies are made in-house by hand on manual lathes, believe it or not. We do things the old school way. We can control our precision just as well as the CNC can. So this shows our capability of how thin of a rim we can make out of a metal part, odd shapes. These parts go into spare tires for Jeep assemblies. These are for Chrysler parts also. These are color-coded plastic. Each color code represents a different thickness of the sheet that we make them from. So we go from the very small to an 8-inch washer. That is our largest washer today. And that's used in helicopters around the world for hoist assemblies. A shim is basically a very thin washer. A thick washer can be considered a shim also, but for argument's sake, a shim is a very thin washer. A disc is just a blank, a center. It's used for various applications, valves, other assemblies. We don't charge for tooling because we have such a large inventory in-house. We'll inventory custom parts for customers on a blanket order system. We ship all over the world. We go to the UK, Philippines, we even ship to China. We're making America great, one washer at a time.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.